Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the turbidity sensor in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's failed and it won't go through cycles, the heat cycle won't work, or because you're getting water leaking underneath your dishwasher. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And we have to lay it down on its back. So this piece right in here is our turbidity sensor. In order to get it off, we've got to unplug these wires here. And there's a small clip right there holding it in. So we'll just pull this clip back right here and pull the wire out. Now that the wire's out of the way, we can give that a counterclockwise turn like so. And once you're down at about the 6 o'clock there, you can pull it straight out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement turbidity sensor. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So on the back of our sensor, we have these two tabs right here. With the smaller tab, you're going to line that up on the inside of the pump right here, and just make sure that the smaller tab goes to the smaller hole. They won't fit on the other way. And once you've got that lined up, just push it straight in like that. You would turn clockwise until it stops. So right there, locked into place. And now we can put our wire back in, and that will clip in just like that. So now we flipped up our dishwasher and stood it back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.